Tom and Sarah are nearing retirement, and the house they've lived in for the past 35 years no longer fits their active adult lifestyle. Although they love living in a home that's paid for, they know that maintaining an aging home will be challenging, not to mention the burden of navigating stairs. So recently, they decided to look into purchasing a new home. The problem is, they haven't been home shopping for over 30 years, and taking out a mortgage while on a fixed income in retirement concerns them. Tom and Sarah know that paying cash for their next home is probably the best purchase strategy, but aren't sure they can get the home they really want using the proceeds from the sale of their existing home. They don't want to tap into their retirement accounts either because they fear running out of money at some point in the future. Tom and Sarah purchased their current home in 1977 for $57,900, and they now own the home free and clear. A trusted realtor in the area told them their house is valued at approximately $486,000. After closing costs and realtor fees, they would net about $448,000 when they sell their home. So, with a budget of $448,000, Tom and Sarah begin the search for their dream home. Tom and Sarah don't always agree on everything, but one thing they do agree on is this. This may be the last home they purchase, and they want it to have things like single-story living, modern design, an upgraded kitchen, outdoor living space, and low maintenance. So, on a sunny Saturday morning, Tom and Sarah map out 3 homes they want to visit. After touring the first home, Sarah asked the sales agent, "How much does this home cost?" "$700,000, ma'am," exclaims the friendly agent. That's a whopping $252,000 over Tom and Sarah's budget. Their dreams quickly turn to disappointment. The friendly sales agent mentions that there's a unique loan program that they should really consider because it was designed just for them. He went on to explain a strategy that middle-income and affluent boomers like Tom and Sarah have been using since 2009 to purchase their dream home. He told them about the Lifestyle Home Loan. What makes this program unique is that it only requires a one-time down payment of about 55% of the price of the home, and then there are no required monthly mortgage payments for the rest of your life. You remain responsible for home maintenance and payments of property taxes, home insurance, and any HOA fees. Tom and Sarah realized that they actually can afford the $700,000 home using this program, and that they are effectively doubling their purchasing power compared to paying cash or taking out a regular mortgage. The new Lifestyle Home Loan is for those ages 62 and up. It's an FHA-insured program that simply requires a one-time down payment of about 55% of the purchase price and does not require a monthly mortgage payment as long as you live in the home. Remember that home maintenance and payment of property taxes and insurance are ongoing program requirements. Discover how you can buy the home you really want without tying up a large portion of your savings. Take the next step and learn more. Contact us today to learn why we are the nation's largest lifestyle home loan lender with loan specialists in 48 states.